Here we go, traders. Right now, Dow at crucial support. Everyone seeing this? This is the end of the minor trend. So what does a brilliant trader understands who is receiving alert on the scanner? It's a counter trend move. Brilliant trader extremely well prepared. Brilliant trader understands that when Dow is moving with vengeance. We're expecting next multiple trades to play out. Brilliant intelligent trader extremely well prepared. So when the trade is rallying so fast and so instantly, it is extremely clear where buyers came from. Correct? Buyers came from Alpha Fibonacci support. So if I would bring up to you this chart on Dow, you're extremely clear. This is coming from crucial support, and right now this trade on Dow at key resistance. So again, traders, crucial support on Dow day trading chart. This target on this trade is critical. This is the very first alert on Dow. If Dow starts breaking through this level, bullish trend becomes major. Trend will head to drastically higher level. Everyone with me? Critical. Stop on this trade, one tick outside. Again, the trade is not on 1 minute. So here we go, traders. Market finally moving. Is everyone witnessing this? Is everyone clear how powerful this is? If you know where Alpha Fibonacci support is, and if you know where to buy. Correct? Everyone with me? It is simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. So right now we're working with Manu on the power of quality trading. Manu 5 points on S&P, James 20 points on Dow. Boom. This is quality trading. Intelligent trader absolutely moving the stop outside of break-even on Dow and taking profits off the table now. Trader who chooses to disrespect this as a key target and not move the stop outside of break-even, trading against him and herself. Is everyone witnessing what's playing out on Dow? This is the power of the method. This is the precision. So when next scanner would give us multiple alerts, brilliant intelligent trader will only consider trading one more time. Because your success in trading is determined by quality, never, ever, ever by number of trades. We agree? And that's your intelligent power. That's your intelligent trading. The power in your mind. The power in knowing where to look to buy and knowing where to look to exit. It is that simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. Play markets like you play a chess game. Calmly, confidently, and very, very clear where to buy, where to sell, but most importantly, when to stay out. So again, ladies and gentlemen, you are witnessing how crucial this Fibonacci target is on Dow. Yes? And that's how you trade. With confidence, with precision. Most importantly, you start enjoying this game. Because you start becoming drastically more intelligent than the rest of the trigger-happy cowboys. You choosing your trade confidently. You know where to buy. You know where to sell. And most importantly, you know when not to trade, when not to waste time, when not to lose money. Trail was placed in perfect place, correct? This is now crucial. This is now is a key. If price right now starts collapsing, you are not surprised. It's a reversal zone, not a place to buy. We agree? Ultimate Alpha Fibonacci support is identical level as you saw on Apple. Do you remember that? Identical rally, identical chart, as you see on Apple from 91 to 181 when Apple doubled in value despite the worst earnings in 13 years. This is identical chart now on Dow in front of you. When Dow starts collapsing from reversal zone, zero surprises here. We agree? Brilliant trade adjusting trail drastically closer. Identical chart on S&P. This is the area to look to buy from, not to sell. All the charts are twins with Apple. Identical formations. Identical reminder. If you know where to look to buy, if you know where to look to exit, it's a pain-free trading. You're beating the markets with your intelligent game. Boom. Crush and burn Dow. Pretty please remind everyone that buying into reversal zone will never produce any good results. Boom. Shock or not. This was absolutely expected. This is exact same thing that Apple had done. Crush and burn Dow, pretty please. That's the reason I named this level reversal zone. So this is what Apple had done next. Watch. Reaching next level and then skyrocketing until reversal zone. What do you see at the bottom? 140, correct? Did Apple crush and burn? Of course. Did it rally from ultimate bottom when it reached reversal zone? Of course. Did Apple collapse again and again from reversal zone? Of course. It never gets old, I promise. This is the power of the method. Identical price action rally and collapse on Apple as on Dow now. Except this is a day trading, this is a junky little charts. Price action is twin with Apple, showing you the power of ultimate support 27.7. The power of Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone 27.730. That was identical dance on Apple. Shock or not? From ultimate support to ultimate reversal zone when Apple crashed as expected, and when Apple rallied from bottom as expected. Zero surprises here. If you can trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 minutes, you can trade them all. And that's a stunning reminder this morning as Dow continue crashing from Alpha Fibonacci reversal zone as Apple had done. So when James just joined us in Alpha Fibonacci course, along with all the other traders, this is what everyone loves: intelligent trading with Alpha Fibonacci trading system. As Dow keeps crashing from reversal zone, as expected. And that's the power of Alpha Fibonacci trading system. So this is what students accomplished this morning. Robert, 12 points on Dow. Brett, 100% success rate performance for this month. So let me show you the performance, as I love when students share and inspire others. 100% of trades for a couple of weeks in November. It's very few hours per week. This is intelligent, powerful, most importantly, very fun, joy-filled trading. And that's the reason students become my friends for life. If you are serious about trading, if you would like to trade markets as an intelligent trader, as James, as Jerry, as Brett, as Robert, as Manu earlier this morning, 5 points on S&P, that's a powerful, intelligent trading. You are ready to do so? I look forward working with you. Fibonacci Trading Bootcamp is once in a lifetime event with Alpha Fibonacci Genesis software. I had never done Genesis Trading Bootcamp with Genesis Trading software. This is the first time it will ever be available on December 2nd. I will never be teaching this bootcamp ever again. I had never done this before, and for the first time ever, Alpha Fibonacci Total Trading System will include Genesis software for new November and December students. It is discount of more than $3,000 on software. It is additional 10 days of trading bootcamp. Total value and discount of $5,000 to new students. We have only 2 spaces left. So if you're joining us, all of this included at no additional charge to new Fibonacci trading system students. And that's the key. 10 additional days of live trading bootcamp. You will have opportunity to review during 3 months. And Alpha Fibonacci Genesis trading software included to new November and December students. We have only 2 spaces left. So if you're joining us in group or private mentoring course, bootcamp and software included at no additional charge. More and more testimonies and videos posted from students who are trading the system all over the world with incredible success, who are inspiring others to be successful. Thousands and thousands of emails and testimonials from successful traders. And traders time and time share in the trading room. If you have any questions, if you're considering to joining us in once in a lifetime opportunity, I look forward to working with you as Kiana continue lighting up multiple alerts. So please do call or email me 925-257-4298 or info@fibinstitute.com. I look forward working with you. Bootcamp will be pure blast. It will never be done again. and it had never been done before. Incredible opportunity for new traders, graduates joining us who had finished course 4, 5, 8, 10 years ago.